Welcome dear students. Standard 4th, subject EVS 2, lesson number 7, Swaraj, First Conquest, Part 2. Students, in last video, we have learned about Torana Fort and the drums of Swaraj began to sound. Now students, we will continue our lesson. Now we will see blessings of Goddess Bhavani. Fort Torana then came under Shivaji's administration. He appointed officers such as Maratha Khilledar, a Brahmin Sabnis, and a Prabhu Karkhanis. A garrison included Maulas, Kolis, Ramoshis, Mahars, and such brave men from many other castes and creed. Creed means communities. In Swaraj, all castes and communities were to be treated alike and no distinctions made on the basis of caste. As repairs to the fort started, a surprise awaited the people. They discovered 4 metal pots filled to the brim with mohors. Students, mohors means earlier in India it means a gold coin worth rupees 15. Okay students? The workers were overjoyed. Overjoyed means very happy. They said that this was a gift to Shivaji from the goddess Bhavani who had blessed his efforts. And all the money discovered was brought to Shivaji. No one thought of taking anything from it for himself. After all, it was the wealth of Swaraj. Shivaji felt greatly elated at this unexpected gift, which would enable him to pursue his idea of Swaraj with added vigor. Here students, elated means happy. He felt that he was working under the benevolent eye of the goddess Bhavani. Here students, benevolent means kind-hearted. Shivaji utilized part of the treasure found in the fort to purchase arms and ammunition. Students, ammunition means a supply or quantity of bullets and shells. After that students, about 15 kilometers to the east of Torana is the hill of Murumdev. Shivaji had his eye on it for a long time. This hill was steep and difficult of access and therefore of great strategic importance. Here, strategic means serve a particular purpose. Adil Shah had actually started constructing a fort on this hill but had left it unfinished. This hill also was not well guarded and Shivaji decided to capture it. Now students, we will learn about the first capital of Swaraj. Shivaji climbed up the hill with a select band of his followers and took possession of the partially completed fort. The money found on Torana was used to complete the fortification of Murumdev. Shivaji named this fort Rajgarh, and Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. Now students, we will see how Shivaji made rapid progress. Okay? From then onwards, Shivaji moved swiftly and captured one fort after another in Mawal. The whole country, known as Baramawal, the 12 Mawals, was overflowing with joy and excitement. The Patils and Deshmukhs from many villages came and shown allegiance to Shivaji. Here students, shown means to take an oath. But Mawal had its own share of blacklegs who were ever ready to put a spoke in the fast moving wheel of Swaraj. Jealous of Shivaji's success, they complained to the Adil Shahi collector at Shirwal. The collector dispatched messengers to Bijapur and informed Adil Shah of Shivaji's rapid progress. Now students, we will see Shivaji, the shrewd politician. Here, shrewd means having or showing sharp powers of judgment. Okay students? Adil Shah was most surprised to get the news. He asked Shahaji Raje for an explanation. Shahaji Raje got himself out of this difficult situation by telling the Sultan that Shivaji Raje had probably taken over the fort for better administration of the Jagir. Shivaji also sent this message to the Sultan: I have taken possession of the fort for better administration of the countryside. Here, possession means charge or ownership. We did this only in the interest of the Sultan. There was no evil design at the back of this action. The two forts of Kundana and Purandar too had strategic locations. Shivaji used his political skill and took control of both the forts. The next fort to come under his sway was Hoida. This was fast work indeed, and there was nothing to stop Shivaji now. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you.